Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I am going to show you how to connect Shopify with AliExpress. So let's get started. So now here we are in Shopify, and then what we're going to do from here in order for us to connect our Shopify with AliExpress is that we need a platform or an app in order for us to connect it. So we can find that here in Shopify. All we have to do is click on the search button right here. So from here we're going to type in AliExpress and click on the Shopify App Store right here. Click on that. And then from here, it would load up a bunch of apps right here that would let us connect into AliExpress with our Shopify store. And take note that you can use any of this one right here. You can try them out if it works best for you. So yeah, some of you may have different needs or wants in an app right here. So experimenting with the apps right here would be the best. But what I recommend, if you're looking for a free one, then you can click on CJ Dropshipping right here. Click on that, and in this video, this is what we'll be using as an example right here. Click on it, install right here. And now from here, it would load us up into the CJ Dropshipping. And from here, we would need to log into our account if you have an account. But in my case, I'll just click on register right here since I don't have an account. So from here, I'm gonna needing to enter my email and my password and so on. So now I'm gonna provide my email right here. I'm gonna paste that. And then for the password, I'll just go for something simple. Just like that. And then from here, I'm just gonna retype my password, and from here click on by clicking next, and then agree to the user agreement. Click on next right here. Or of course, you also have this right here, these options. If you want to make your registration process easier, then you can use these 5 options right here. In my case, I'll just provide my username, so I'll just go for a tutor AliExpress, just like that, and my first name tutor, and I'm just gonna go for Kyle and provide my phone number. So I'm just gonna go and provide one right here. Right there. So I'm gonna click on confirm next. So let's go and click on confirm, and then it would load us up right here, and we'll be proceeding into the user questionnaire. So from here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go click on skip for this one. But of course, I suggest that you proceed and answer these user questionnaires right here. But for the sake of time, let's just skip it right here. So from here, we would need to verify our email first. I suggest that this is the first thing that you would do. Click on verify email, just like so. And then from here, you want to go into your email right here, and then click on send right here. And then from there, go into your email again and click on verification right here. And I'm going to go and copy this one right there. So click on copy and provide your verification code. Click on verify. And now, just like that, you are now currently verified in CJ Dropshipping. Alright, so now once you are done verifying your CJ Dropshipping account, then you can now proceed into importing your product. So you can go into AliExpress and search for a product that you want. In my case, it's smartphone gamepad right here. So you can search for it in aliexpress.com. And then from here, what you want to do is once you are done, then you have searched for the product that you want. Then you can take that as a reference when you go into CJ Dropshipping and go for smartphone gamepad right there. And then from here, you can search for the similar results that you have right here. So from here, you can go and click on the products right here that you want to import into your Shopify store. Let's say this one right here. And yes, this is not a direct import from AliExpress into your own Shopify store, but this is a free alternative. And just like I said earlier, then you can just use other paid products or options right here, or apps that would let you have more freedom into importing your AliExpress products into your Shopify store. But this method that we have right here is a free one right here from CJ Dropshipping. So once you're done with this one, then you can click on list right here so that you can import it into your Shopify store. And then from here, click on the product type that you have. So let's say gamepad right there. click on that, and then for the vendor, it's your store, so my store. And then from here, you can click on the variant pricing next, and then from here you can set the price. So you can see the whole price of dropship right here. So you want to price it higher than this one right here. So I'm just gonna go for 40 right here. So I would have a profit right here of maybe $8 or $7, and click on list it now. And store price is lower than CJ price right here. So let's just wait for this one to load right here. And now, as you can see right here, it's just currently loading, but all you have to do now is wait for that. And now, as you can see, it's listed successfully, and now you can see that the product has been listed into your store. So now let's go and click on our store, and then click on products right here. And then as you can see, you now have that product available in your store, and then you can click on the eye icon right here, and then you can see it in your store right here. And this is how it is priced. But yeah, take note that as you can see right here in CJ, it is $22, or I set it as $40 right here. But in my Shopify store, it's a 40 pesos right here, which is in the currency. So you want to make sure that your currency is the same with CJ dropshipping and your Shopify store right here, so you won't have this issue right here. So yeah, that is basically how you can do it here in Shopify, on how you can import products from AliExpress.